right, this is a hand planer that is a very heavy duty steel bottom base. It's adjustable, 2 hands, with your front and your rear. And then this little guy unlocks this blade mechanism, and then these adjust the height of the blade.
Please subscribe for next video and press the bell icon.
So if you're canted off a little bit, you can fix that with this. It's not just a single fixed mount system. So this thing's been very handy in my shop. I just picked it up about 6 weeks ago, and I have used it building some cabinets, and it's worked out really well. I like how heavy and durable it is.